The Honda Civic Type R has always worn its performance credentials on its sleeve. From its iconic rear wings to its purposeful aero elements, its design is as much a part of its identity as its powertrain. As we look towards a potential 2026 model, which could represent a significant mid-cycle refresh, or even the early hints of a new generation, predicting its redesign involves anticipating how Honda will evolve its aggressive yet functional aesthetic. Asterisk building. On the FL5's mature aggression, the current FL5 generation Civic Type R marked a shift towards a more mature, slightly less boy racer design compared to its FK8 predecessor. While still undeniably sporty with its wide fenders, triple exhaust, and signature wing, its lines are cleaner and more integrated with the standard 11th generation Civic. This provides a strong, contemporary base for any future redesign. Areas for redesign speculation: front fascia evolution, grille and intake treatment. Expect Honda to refine the front grille and lower air intakes. This could mean a more intricate mesh pattern, perhaps with active grille shutters for improved aerodynamics and engine cooling. The H badge, often read on Type RS, will remain prominent. Headlight signature. While the overall headlight shape might remain tied to the base Civic, expect unique LED daytime running light (DRL) signatures for the Type R, possibly more angular or segmented to give it a distinct face. Subtle smoked or tinted headlight housings are also a possibility. Bumper sculpting. The lower bumper and air dam will likely be reshaped for enhanced aerodynamic efficiency and a more aggressive stance, possibly incorporating more pronounced canards or air curtains. The iconic rear wing, evolved or reimagined. The rear wing is non-negotiable for a Type R for 2026. We could see refined design. The current wing is already quite effective. A redesign might focus on optimizing its aerodynamic profile further, perhaps with more aggressively sculpted end plates, or a slightly different mounting system for a cleaner look or improved downforce. Material upgrades. While carbon fiber is already used, Honda might expand its application or introduce new finishes to enhance the premium, sporty feel. Subtle integration. While still prominent, the wing's integration with the rear hatch and taillights could be further harmonized. Side profile and fender flares. Wheels. New alloy wheel designs are a certainty. Expect lightweight, performance-oriented designs, possibly in larger diameters or with unique finishes. Fender vents extractors. The functional fender vents are a Type R staple. These could be restyled to be more prominent or more aerodynamically efficient. The subtle fender flares that give the Type R its wide stance will likely be retained or even slightly accentuated. Side skirts. Redesigned side skirts will likely feature more aggressive sculpting to manage airflow along the cars flanks and visually lower the car. Rear bumper and diffuser. Triple exhaust. This signature element is almost guaranteed to stay. The surrounding diffuser, however, could see a more aggressive design with deeper strakes and a more pronounced look. To improve underbody airflow and visual impact. Taillight details. Similar to the headlights, the taillights might receive Type R specific internal graphics or a smoked effect to differentiate them from the standard Civic. Interior touches. Sporty refinement. While not a full redesign in the exterior sense, interior updates will complement the new look. New trim and accents. Expect updated materials, perhaps new Alcantara applications, revised red stitching patterns, or new carbon fiber or brushed aluminum look trim pieces. Updated infotainment. Graphics. Type R specific graphics and performance displays within the infotainment system and digital instrument cluster will likely be enhanced. Seat design. The excellent sport seats will likely be retained, perhaps with new color options or subtle design tweaks. Design philosophy. Function meets form. Honda's Type R design philosophy has always prioritized function. Any aesthetic changes will likely be rooted in aerodynamic improvement, cooling efficiency, or weight reduction. The red H badge signifies engineering excellence, and the design will reflect that. We can expect a look that is purposeful, clearly distinguishing it from the standard Civic, but perhaps continuing the trend of a slightly more sophisticated aggression seen in the FL5. Wildcard possibilities. More extensive use of carbon fiber. Could we see options for a carbon fiber hood, roof, or other panels as factory offerings to further reduce weight and enhance the premium feel? Unique color palette. New exclusive Type R colors are always a possibility to mark a refresh or new model. Conclusion. Sharpening the blade, predicting the exact redesign of the 2026 Honda Civic Type R is of course speculative. However, by looking at Honda's design trends, the legacy of the Type R, and the functional demands of a high-performance vehicle, we can anticipate a car that is even sharper, more aerodynamically honed, and visually striking. It will undoubtedly be an evolution that excites enthusiasts and reinforces the Type R's status as a design icon in the hot hatch world.